Imagine a world where voting is faster, more secure, and completely automated. No long lines, no manual errors, just a seamless, trustworthy system ensuring every vote counts. Hi, we are Team Hackfinity and we are thrilled to present our project for the Google Solution Challenge. Our mission is to revolutionize voting with a faster and secure automated verification system. In this video, we will demonstrate how our system works, ensuring a transparent and tamper-proof voting process. Our system is built using multiple components, each playing a crucial role in the voting process. The system is built using Python for the backend, HTML for the front end, and Postman for API testing. App.py is the core file that runs the application. It handles user authentication, data processing, and overall system logic. Model.py is responsible for setting up and managing database. It stores users' detail, voting records, and face recognition data securely. Index.html is the user interface where voters interact with the system. It provides options for face recognition and voting. Blockchain.py ensures secure and transparent data storage. It ensures that once a vote is recorded, it cannot be altered or tampered with. Face recognition.py verifies voters using facial recognition technology. It ensures that only registered users can cast their votes. We also use Postman to test API interactions and data flow. Now let's see the system in action. We run app.py to initialize the backend. Then we open index.html, which serves as our voting interface. The voter clicks on capture image and their face is scanned for authentication. Once recognized, they proceed to vote and their vote is securely recorded in the database. Opening VS Code, we can verify that the vote has been recorded successfully. This ensures a tamper-proof voting system where every vote is counted correctly. This voting system aims to make elections more secure, transparent, and efficient. By combining facial recognition and blockchain, we eliminate common election frauds and ensure that every vote counts. Thank you for watching. We hope this solution contributes to a better and more secure voting system.